Hi, my name is Keith, a technician with USACLEAN for over 11 years. And this beauty right here is an x16CE carpet extractor. Now in this video series, I'm going to show you some tips and tricks on how to keep your machine running at peak performance, and it's also going to help you minimize the cost and need of sending a service tech.
If your brush roll is damaged or worn and you need to replace it, we're going to show you how to do that really fast. It's very simple to do. Take your brush roll off the clamp side and pull it down towards you. And then it just slides off of the pulley side. Now to install your new one, we're just going to use the same one here. Put it on your pulley side first, make sure the notches line up, and then slide it back on the clamp side and push it back up in its clamp. Just like that, and you're done.
Once again, my name is Keith. For all the parts listed in this video, plus thousands of diagrams and how-to repair guides, be sure to click the link in the description below or visit us on the web at USACLEAN.com. Now, if you like what you watch, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe for future videos. Stay safe and thanks for watching.